A 17-year-old boy was shot dead along Dilpad Crescent in Kingston 11 on Tuesday morning. The deceased has been identified as Nebinko Douglas, otherwise called Junior, from Dilpad Crescent. Reports reaching Observer Online indicate at about 6:58 a.m. the now deceased was standing along the roadway when a loud explosion sounding like gunshot was heard. Douglas, the police said, ran to the premises and collapsed. Residents summoned the authorities, who rushed the injured teen to Kingston Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Up to late Tuesday afternoon, no motive has been established for the killing, the police. A man who was shot during an attempted robbery of a delivery truck and was subsequently disarmed was remanded today. The case against 33-year-old Michael Smart, who is answering charges of wounding with intent, assault with intent to rob, possession of a prohibited weapon, and unauthorized possession of ammunition, was heard in the St. Catherine Parish Court today and subsequently transferred to the Gun Court for mention on February 26. A teenager was killed and 3 other persons, including 2 students, injured in a gun attack along the Crowder Main Road in Grange Hill, Westmoreland on the weekend. The deceased has been identified as 19-year-old Devontae Ziggy Brown, a laborer from the community. The incident happened shortly after 5 p.m. on Sunday. Observer Online understands that an 8-year-old male student was shot in the neck and is in serious but stable condition at hospital, while a 13-year-old female is said to have been shot in her right middle finger. Reports from the police are that a silver Nissan Latio motor car drove up to a group of individuals gathered in the community. 2 men then alighted from the back of the vehicle wearing a ballistic vest, one of whom was armed with a rifle and the other with a handgun. The men reportedly shouted police and thereafter opened gunfire at the group of persons who scampered in different directions in a bid to escape injuries. The men then boarded the said motor car and made their escape in the direction of Blake Street. When the shooting subsided, it was discovered that Brown, along with 2 students and another female, were suffering from gunshot wounds. The victims were transported to hospital, where Brown was pronounced dead. Meanwhile, 1 female was treated for a graze to the left foot, the 13-year-old was treated for a graze to the right middle finger, and the 8-year-old student was admitted in serious but stable condition for gunshots to the right side of the neck and left ankle.